Do you own an Ezigrip bike rack and you want to attach it to the tow ball of your car and want to know how? I'll show you. Got an Ezigrip Enduro 2 bike rack. Let's put it on the car. Fits on a standard tow ball. Got two locking mechanisms, one here and one here. Both of them got to be unscrewed. Make sure this one is loose. Just got to make sure this metal thing is almost in there. Can't have much of this showing. So if too much of this is sticking out like that, you haven't put it on properly. So you want to turn this knob at the top to tighten it down. You don't have to go crazy, but make sure it's firm. So you want not much of this metal thing sticking out. You want it to be just a few millimeters and that's it. If too much is sticking out, it means it's not on the ball properly. When it's on, you've still got this sideways movement. So you want to do this additional one to stop that sideways movement. So you just turn it, pull it towards you, put it back on, turn it, pull it towards you, put it back on. Keep repeating until this nut is nice and tight. Make sure your rack is centered before you do the final tighten. And just check that that's nice and secure. And finally plug your lights in. Just make sure the pin that goes up goes towards the sky. There you have it, quite easily done. So for security, you can lock this bit with the key. Don't lose the key. So when this is locked, when you turn it, you can't unscrew the rack, so you can't take it off the tow bar. So that's locked. If you want to take it off the tow bar, you've got to unlock it. Now this does something, so that's unlocked. So always lock it when you're in transit. That's locked, ready for use. To take it off, you just do those instructions in the reverse order. So I hope you enjoyed that video showing you how to use the Ezigrip bike rack, how to get it on the car's tow ball and get it off. It's great for easy transport to take your bikes out and about on the car. Catch you later. Thanks for watching. Ezigrip Intro bike rack. Action.